Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a booking calendar to your Wix website. This is a fantastic feature that allows your clients to easily schedule appointments or services directly through your site, making the booking process seamless for both you and your customers. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App and a drop-down selection will appear. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the main settings area for your site where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Once you're on this page, take a moment to verify that this is indeed the website you want to add the booking calendar to. It's always good practice to double-check you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites through Wix. This ensures you don't accidentally make changes to the wrong project. Now, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This action will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen, which is where all the magic happens for customizing your site's layout and adding new features. From the editor screen, look for the plus Add Element button and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the different elements and widgets you can add to your site. An expanded menu will appear with various categories. From this menu, select Bookings. This category contains all the booking-related tools that Wix offers, including the calendar feature we're adding today. Under the booking element options, look for the calendar option. Once you've found it, drag it onto your website. I would highly suggest using a clean slate page when adding this element, as it makes positioning and customization much easier. You might notice that once the calendar element is added, it won't display anything just yet. That's completely normal. To see it in action, click on the Settings button associated with the calendar element. Now you'll be taken to the Settings page, and this is where you'll add your services for bookings. Look for the Services tab within the settings. Here, you'll see a list of services that you can offer for booking. Click on the services you want your clients to be able to book with. Once you've selected your services, you'll immediately see the calendar element populate with all the details for the services you're offering. Your booking calendar is now live and ready to accept appointments from your clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.